Hello everyone. Text before function in Excel 365 is super handy for extracting text that appear before a specific character or substring called as delimiter. Here are a few realistic and relatable data examples so that you can better understand this function and its applications under various scenarios. Let's jump into it.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here in the first example, you can see that I have an email address and I want to extract username from the email. For this purpose, here in this output cell, I will write equal text before, and first I need to select the text. So I will select this B2 cell. If you do not have written anywhere the text, then you have to provide it in the inverted commas. After this, I will provide comma, and next I need to provide the delimiter, that on which basis I want to separate the text. So here in this case, you can see that I want to separate it before the @ sign. So here in inverted commas, I will write @ and then close this bracket and hit enter. So we have extracted the username from the email. In the next example, you can see that I have a full name, and if we want to get the first name from the full name, then I can use this function. So I'll write equal text before. First I need to select this cell, then I'll put comma, and after this I need to provide the delimiter. So here in the first and the second name I have a space, so in inverted commas I will just put a space, close this bracket and press enter. So I get the first name. Similarly, in the third example, you can see that I have a code of any product, like you can say a kind of series if I want to generate. So here in this cell I will write equal and then write text before, select this cell, put the comma, and inverted commas I need to provide the delimiter. So the dash is the delimiter. I will write it in inverted commas, close this bracket and press enter. Similarly, if I have the movie title and the award and I want to extract the movie titles from them, then in this cell I will write equal text before, select this cell as a text and then put comma, and in the delimiter again I need to provide the dash sign, close this bracket and hit enter. Now in the fifth example, you can see that I have the 15 packs of biscuits that shows the quantity, and if I only want to extract the numbers from that phrase, then I can use this function. So here in this cell I'll write equal text before, select this cell, put comma, and provide the delimiter in inverted commas. So here again the delimiter is the space, so I'll only put space in inverted commas, close this bracket and hit enter. So it's mean that I can use this function to extract usernames, or I can use it to get the first or the last name, or I can use this function to extract a series, or I can use it to extract the title of the movie, or I can use it to extract the quantity before the item description. So these are the various scenarios in which I can make use of the text before function. Just imagine that I am just explaining it in a single cell, but if you have a lot of data, then how much time you can save using this function. Please note that the text before function is only available in Excel 365. In earlier versions of the Excel, achieving the same result requires nesting functions like left and find together, which could be a bit tricky for the beginners. But now with Excel 365, text before function makes it super simple, all in one neat function. And that's how easy it is to use the text before function in Excel 365. No more complicated formulas, just clear, simple results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.